In this video, we will learn how to use calculator in Google Chrome. It's quick and easy tool that you can access directly from your browser. The first open your Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click on the address bar at the top of the screen, and this is where you will type in your calculations. Simply enter any maths equation like 45 into 12. Chrome will instantly display the result right below the address bar. You can use it for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or even more complex calculation. It's that simple. So next time you need to calculate something quickly, remember that you don't need to open the separate calculator app. Just use the Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.